Hello guys, welcome to Techno-Tech YouTube channel. In this video we'll show you how to do the calibration in Kyocera 5004i photocopier series. Calibrating a Kyocera printer is important to ensure accurate and consistent print results. Calibration involves adjusting the printer settings to match the desired print quality, color accuracy, and paper type. This process helps in achieving optimal performance by fine-tuning various parameters such as color balance, density, and registration. Regular calibration is necessary because factors like environmental conditions, wear and tear on printer components, and changes in consumables, such as toner or ink cartridges, can affect print quality over time. By calibrating the printer, you maintain the accuracy of colors and prevent issues like color shifts or misalignment. Ultimately, calibration contributes to the overall reliability and quality of printed documents, which is essential in professional and business settings where consistent and high-quality prints are crucial. Thanks for watching. If you learn anything in this video, please give a like and subscribe for more videos. If you have any questions, just pin a comment.